guys, so today is Wednesday, June 10th, I think, and we are currently in Virginia Beach, driving on Shore Drive. This is leg one of the cross-country road trip by myself. Thought I should probably mention that I'm going to be driving a 5-speed Cobra. This isn't exactly the most road trip worthy car, but we're going to make it work. It's going to be good. So we just about made it to Charlotte. I think I've driven for about 5 hours. Pretty quick drive here from Virginia Beach. I'm at Walmart because I'm hungry. I'm about to procure some dinner. Dinner has been procured. So today's day 2 of this cross-country road trip, and my back already hurts. I like to have my water. I'm trying to hydrate while I drive. Trail mix is always lunch, and Belvita. This was the Airbnb I stayed at last night in Charlotte. Okay. I'm like a 90-degree grade here, so I'm gonna have to floor it and drop the clutch. Do a quick burnout before I leave this Airbnb. I think that would be good. So I'm trying this new thing called sitting up while I'm driving. I don't know if you can tell my seat's upright. It's literally all the way up. I'm trying to drive manual while filming. So I'm currently at a Costco waiting for gas. Yeah, the original plan was to get gas only at Costco's, but that's not really possible when you get like 5 miles to the gallon. You gotta fill up every 10 feet, so. But we are here, Atlanta, Georgia. Good to go. So something I found about Georgia is that the traffic patterns are terrible. I've hit literally every red light in the state. Alright. Just finished getting lunch with my friend here in Atlanta. About to head out. 7-hour drive to New Orleans. It's gonna make 11 hours of driving today, but we're gonna make this happen. So obviously, this 1997 Cobra, it's not exactly the best road trip car, especially with the exhaust setup that I have. It's not exceedingly loud. I did weld in regular catalytic converters into the Catalyst H-pipe, so that quieted it down quite a bit and reduced the drone. But I will say it's not quite the same as driving around some normal people car. So I'm driving through, about to pass Montgomery, Alabama. I'm in Sweet Home, Alabama right now. And I'm now realizing that I should have worn a long sleeve shirt or something, or tinted my windows, because I feel like my left arm is burning off. So this is what's happening right now. Yep. Good. Yes, sirree. That's what I'm talking about right there. It is sometime in the afternoon, and I'm resting on this bench. Pet snake is over there, looking real clean. Okay, nap time over. All right, so I'm in some serious need. Stop. I'm in some serious need of gas. Never been to this place. Loves. Hopefully they have some food inside. I missed the subway, so I'm going to get gas and eat dinner while I'm driving. It's gonna be good. All right, I picked up some dinner. This fucking salty sandwich. It only has 470 calories. A banana and my trail mix, and that is dinner. All right, so I think I'm gonna record the rest of this trip on my phone because I am now realizing that my camera, this potato quality in my phone is great. So we're gonna continue this trip. Alright, so it's fucking bright. Oh, you know what, I have this. So, being from Virginia, I've never seen roads like this in Alabama and Mississippi where it's so flat and you can see for miles and there's 3 lanes of traffic and it's like perfectly paved, no potholes. Absolutely unheard of in Virginia. That's why I left. About a half hour away from the hotel I'm going to stay at tonight in New Orleans, and about 20 minutes away from this Costco that happens to be pretty close to this hotel, I think. So I'm going to get some gas at Costco and get back to the hotel and try to get this workout in. So I just got to my hotel and no gym, no nothing, no fitness center, everything's closed, no breakfast. Okay, so it's about 6 a.m. About to head out here to go to Austin. Gonna make a quick stop in Houston for lunch, and then I think it's a quick like 2-hour drive over to Austin from there, so it should be good. So I'm not sure how I'm supposed to check out if the office hours are 7 a.m. Getting a little brake dust action in the front wheels, but overall still pretty clean. So, I have my earplugs in. All right, so it's day 3. Almost at the border with Texas, leaving Louisiana. My gas mileage is significantly better if I don't use the AC. I think in modern cars, there's not a big difference when you turn on the AC, but I'm at about half a tank, and it's like 170 miles. Yesterday, in the afternoon when it was hot out and I was running the AC, the range was like, or not the range, I'd only driven about 120 miles with half a tank, so it's a pretty big discrepancy there. I think I'm gonna try to crank the vent, open the windows. That'd be good. So I'm almost in Houston. I don't know if you can tell, you could probably tell, but my left arm is going to be red as a lobster. Every single day I'm out here driving and my left arm is up, even if it's down here, it still gets all the sunlight coming in from my damn window. I should have got tinted windows or wore like a long sleeve shirt or something. But this is ridiculous. I'm proud to have, it's gonna be brown, it's gonna be all white. That's sweet premium gas. So I went for a run just now, and I'm here in Austin, Texas, and this shit's like 150 degrees outside. I was running on the side of the freeway because there's no sidewalk. Humidity, heat, the sun. Fuck.
And like less.
Okay, good morning. So today's day 3. Is it day 3? Day 4 maybe? I'm spending the day in Austin. It just happens to be that my Airbnb host works at a gym, an LA Fitness. It's pretty close to the Airbnb, so I'm about to head over there now. I'll probably spend half the day. get back in shape. Okay, about to head back to LA Fitness to do this second workout of the day.
Oh my god, this is
Okay, good morning. So day 4, left Austin about half an hour ago, drove through a bunch of ranch to market roads is what they're called, I think. Heading to El Paso today. Gonna stop in Fort Stockton for lunch somewhere. It's gonna be good. So I'm driving through the middle of Texas right now. Or I guess it's not the middle of Texas, it's towards West Texas now. And the drive is sick. Austin to El Paso, the views are great. Excellent. Alright, so I'm out here in what looks like the middle of nowhere, Texas. Okay, so good morning. Is day 5. It's about 7 a.m. About to head out to Tucson to get lunch and then off to Phoenix. Last stop before we get to San Diego. Good, real clean. So one thing that I don't understand is why people complain about driving manual on like long road trips, or that they say like, you know, having a manual transmission sucks when you're on a long drive. You're not changing gears when you're on the freeway. You're just chilling in 5th gear. I've been in 5th for, I want to say like 95% of this road trip. And it's the same as driving an automatic. You have cruise control and you just have it on, chilling in 5th gear, no problems. Yeah, so at this point I'm really just trying to get there. I could have gone to San Diego today, or I could go to San Diego later. I think it's about a 10-hour drive from El Paso, but I'm gonna stop. I'm still gonna stop for lunch in Tucson, and then end up in Phoenix for the night. I'll see what it's like. When it's 110 degrees outside with 0% humidity. So very excited for that. So I'm driving through downtown. What the fuck is this? Tucson, and I've hit literally every red light. I think they're playing with me. Every light will turn green, and then as I'm getting up to the next light, red immediately. I picked a restaurant that is, for some reason, on the other side of downtown Tucson, so I'm driving through this bullshit to get back on I-10 West. Alright, so I got to my Airbnb here in in Phoenix. I'm trying to keep it in the shade because it's like 110 degrees outside. Yep. Doing pretty good so far, one more day. So I'm on my way to get dinner here in Phoenix. I think it's 104 degrees today. I guess if you're from here, you'd probably say this is kind of a cool day, but it is a fucking sauna out here. Alright, day 5, is it day 5? Ooh, glasses looking real funny. Last day, just checked out my Airbnb, and on my way to San Diego. Gonna go to the coast to prove that I went coast to coast, baby. Okay, first stop in California, and it is back above $3 a gallon. Awesome. So after crossing those mountains, the temperature dropped like 20 degrees, I think. It's nice and cool now. Yeah. Well, it appears that the trip is complete. Have arrived in San Diego. I think it's La Jolla actually, but we are here, coast to coast, baby. Virginia Beach to San Diego in 6 days, something like that. Very good. Thanks for watching.